The business landscape is changing. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. The West, for long the engine of global growth, shows signs of slowing down. Costs are rising. Opportunities are shrinking. Businesses feel the squeeze. This is our reality. Across Europe and North America, a familiar narrative unfolds. Labor costs are soaring, bureaucracy is stifling, innovation seems to be stalling. The old ways, once reliable, now seem cumbersome in the face of new challenges. The question arises, where do we turn next? The answer lies in the East, more specifically, Southeast Asia. This dynamic region is pulsating with untapped potential. With its young population, burgeoning middle class, and government support, Southeast Asia is the next frontier for global business. It's time to adjust our compass and set our sights on a new horizon. Shenzhen, once a sleepy fishing village, is now a beacon of technological advancement. Its story is one of staggering growth and relentless innovation, a testament to the dynamism of Southeast Asia. In just a few decades, Shenzhen transformed itself into a global hub for manufacturing and technology. The numbers speak for themselves. Shenzhen boasts more patent filings than any other city globally. Its tech giants are challenging established players on the world stage. The city's success is a potent reminder that in Southeast Asia, the impossible is possible. Shenzhen embodies the spirit of this region, hungry, ambitious, and unstoppable. This is not just about cheap labor, it's about a fertile ground for ideas to flourish. Shenzhen exemplifies the speed and scale at which Southeast Asia embraces and adapts to new technologies. It's a stark reminder that the region isn't just catching up, it's setting the pace. Singapore stands as a testament to strategic planning and business-friendly policies. This island nation is a global financial powerhouse, renowned for its stability, efficiency, and openness to foreign investment. Singapore is a launchpad for businesses looking to tap into Southeast Asia's vast potential. The government's commitment to fostering innovation is evident in its numerous tech incubators and accelerators. These programs provide startups with the resources and mentorship needed to thrive in the competitive global marketplace. Singapore understands that to stay ahead, you need to nurture the seeds of tomorrow's success stories. The ease of doing business in Singapore is unparalleled. Its transparent legal framework, efficient bureaucracy, and strategic location make it an ideal base for regional and global operations. Singapore offers a safe and predictable environment for businesses to flourish. Section 4. The shifting sands of global commerce. Southeast Asia is not a monolith. Each country presents unique opportunities and challenges. Vietnam, with its youthful workforce and growing manufacturing sector, is quickly becoming a global production hub. Thailand, known for its automotive and electronics industries, is attracting significant foreign investment. Malaysia, with its strong infrastructure and skilled workforce, is positioning itself as a leader in the digital economy. However, the region is not without its challenges. Political instability, corruption, and a lack of transparency can pose risks for businesses. But for those willing to navigate these complexities, the rewards are significant. Southeast Asia is not for the faint of heart. It demands adaptability, resilience, and a willingness to learn. The business landscape is not static. It is dynamic and ever-evolving. The companies that thrive are those that anticipate change and adapt accordingly. To stand still is to fall behind. The time for complacency is over. Section 5. The Golden Compass, your path to prosperity. The world is changing, and the center of gravity is shifting eastward. Southeast Asia, with its unparalleled growth potential, is the future of global business. The time to act is now. Don't be left behind. This is your golden opportunity. Embrace the dynamism of Southeast Asia. Relocate your operations, invest in new technologies, and tap into the region's vast talent pool. This is your chance to redefine your business and secure your place in the future. Don't just watch from the sidelines as others seize the opportunities unfolding in Southeast Asia. Be bold, be decisive, be the architect of your own success. The Golden Compass is more than just a title. It's a call to action. I urge you to visit Southeast Asia, experience its dynamism firsthand, and explore the boundless opportunities that await. Your future success might depend on it.